Oh, so I heard about this new show. It's on Geeksvana. It's meant to be amazing. You didn't hear that from me though.
Geeksvana presents Lib's Drone Show. You lucky people. Coming up on Lib's Drone Show.
Hey everyone, and welcome to the newest show on Geeksvana. It is my very own Lib's Drone Show. Unless Sean's on here with me, then it'll be Lib's Antique Drone Show. In our new show, we are still going to be bringing you some of the latest drone news, along with some regular segments, including a couple which I might need your help with. So stay tuned for full details. To make sure you catch future episodes, please subscribe and hit the notification ding bell. To find more of me, you know where to go. Of course, let's start off with some celebrity gossip. Kidding. Let's start the first episode of Lib's Drone Show with some of the stories making waves in the drone world. First up, and one suspected car thief was taught it's best to keep Grand Theft Auto action to your game console. Footage from Nottinghamshire Police Drone Unit shows the suspect hiding in a hedgerow. The action started when the drone unit was called to assist colleagues who had chased a car which failed to stop in the early hours of the morning. Go to bed! When the two occupants ran from the vehicle, one was detained quickly, with the second man running into the nearby fields. Did you get tired? Enter the drone unit, who searched the nearby area and eventually found the suspect hiding in a hedgerow. They were able to direct colleagues on the ground towards the suspect's location, where of course he was detained. The specialist drone team who operate in the designated drone car are available locally to assist both police and fire colleagues. Up next, and as regular viewers will know from Sean's special report last week, the UK are trailing innovative uses for drones, including the delivery of medical supplies to the Isle of Wight. Following on from this, the UK has now entered into their first beyond visual line of sight drone inspections. Amy Vitol has successfully trailed the first drone inspection of UK infrastructure, going beyond visual line of sight. Wow. During the exciting demonstration, the drone surveyed an area of 2 kilometers out of sight of the pilot. While within the capability of the fixed wing drone, which can fly up to 100 kilometers. The successful trial opens up future inspections of long linear infrastructures, such as road, railways, and overhead power lines. Of course, however, the biggest news in the consumer drone market recently is the release of the worst kept secret, the DJI Mavic Air 2. The release, which was streamed live on Geeksvana, seems to have split the drone buying audience. It is naturally very popular and boasts some fantastic specifications, including 4K at 60 frames per second and 8K hyperlapse. Time will tell as more and more reviews reach audiences from trusted YouTubers. Sean from Geeksvana does have one on order, so stay tuned for his honest and frank opinion in future videos on the channel. Stay tuned to Lib's Drone Show for meme reviews. But first, a chance for you to get involved in the show. Each show I'm going to be playing out a clip from a viewer drone video and reacting to it. Can't wait. To have your video featured in the next episode, send a YouTube or streaming link to lib@geeksvana.com. We will even give your channel a shout out. I'm good like that. Let's go to my lair. Wow guys, you're already here? Couldn't even wait for me, huh? You eager little beavers. Welcome to my lair. This is kind of where I guess my magic kind of happens. Right, let's take a look what Sean's got in store for me this week. This week's video is from a friend of the channel, PhillyDroneLife, who flies a range of drones above the city of Philadelphia. Let's take a look at a clip of one of his flights. Now we have changed the music, of course, but I'm sure it fits nicely. Let's take a look. Wow, look at that view. Oh my gosh. How high up are you? Wow. Oh, I love these. I love these ones with the boats and the water. Oh my gosh, look at that. The way you filmed it, going back to see the pattern the boat makes in the water is incredible. That is absolutely insane. And the bridge, it just frames it, doesn't it? Oh, it's doing my OCD the world of good. Oh my gosh. That is breathtaking, man. Wow. Oh, wow. So pretty. Oh, we're going for the little boat now. Oh my gosh, that is breathtaking. Look at those buildings. You have some skill. You have some serious skill. You're so smooth. It's flowing. It's very relaxing to watch. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, that is incredible footage. Well done, man. Well done. That was incredible. Well done to you, and thank you so much for sharing it with us. Philly is a crazy guy who makes awesome content, and there is a link in the description to his channel. Remember, send me a link to your video to get it on next week's episode of Lib's Drone Show. Such a better name. lib@geeksvana.com is where you need to send it. Next up, dudes, is another new segment of the show, Lib Learns Drones. Each show I'm going to be taking lessons on everything I need to know about drones. From you, our audience. Well, who better to go to, eh? Whether it's flying techniques or something on the building side, I want to learn about drones and have the beginners out there watching and learning with me. We can do this. We will do this. So, to teach me a drone lesson, record a clip no longer than 30 seconds. Send it to me on lib@geeksvana.com, and then I will choose a lesson to play out every episode. It's really that simple. I am really looking forward to this segment, so please get submitting. Finally, our drone meme section. Okay, let's see what memes Sean has sent me to react to this week. Oh god. Okay. Couldn't figure out why the drone crashed until they checked the camera storage. What am I looking at here, guys? Wait, is that a battery? Oh, okay. Okay. Cool. I have no idea. I'm guessing that's a battery. Hey, so why are you walking up to it? Cheeky little tongue, I see you. No. Should have taken your shampoo, love. You missed out an opportunity there. Looking at new drones. Oh, I feel for her. She's probably like, honey, do you wanna have a bath or a shower? Anything? Will you look at me? You used to look at me with such kindness. And he's just like, yeah, 1 minute, hun. Let me just buy another £2,000 amount of equipment. She's like, okay, honey, whatever makes you happy. Back to bed. Bless him. Bless. Trying to avoid Oh my gosh, I like that film. That was a good film. But I feel like if drones were around in that film, there would have been no film, let's face it, because problem solved, really. And did that work through? That work through drones though? Do you have to look at the screen as well and have? Ooh, I don't know. Yeah, great meme. I don't get the meme at all. I just love Mr. Bean. My current drone. Oh, I feel it. I feel this one, okay? Because we bought a small drone, a kind of nonchalant, sort of basic crap drone. And now that DJI, and that's DJI, are coming out with such amazing stuff, and now obviously we as a family are becoming more aware of drones, my husband is like, purchase. And our little one is just, oh, I love it. I want me to be cheating on our drone. And that was an experience. Do you have any drone memes? Want them featured in our next drone episode? Well, email me them then. lib@geeksvana.com. We hope you have enjoyed the new show format. We wanted to bring you a show that informs you and entertains you. What is life without spice? We want you involved as much as possible. We also want to get to know you. So make sure you get sending in those viewer videos. And please don't forget my drone lessons, even the memes. I'll catch you next time.
Please remember to like and subscribe.